Laktaw-taw lumusot sa tatlo.
Laktaw-taw.
Apat. Apat. 40 Meronia. Goes inside, straight to the hoops. Bucket. Out. Morido. Right pass fix. Fire. Bucket. Between the legs.
Crossover.
Bounce pass. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. Welcome to Tarlac Intermunicipality and first ball possession. Team Meronia, bucket, first blood. And the pass. Attacks, reverse layup, basket and one. Pumagpag. And close the mid lane. Austria goes inside to the hoops. Won't go. Rebound Santa Iglesia. Laktaw-taw. Pass to the middle. Leisa. Pass for three. Bam! 40 Meronia. Goes inside straight to the hoops. Bucket. Morido attacks inside. Pass fakes. Clutch fire. Bucket. Nice fake. And a pass break. Katakutan. Fires. Bucket. Katakutan. And number 23 goes to the rim. Bucket off the glass. And a pass break again. Katakutan. One-on-one. Lilipad na naman. Uy, grabing lipad yun. Katakutan last on the free throw. Bucket. The second for Santa Iglesia. Liza. Pass to number 11. Laktaw-taw. To the middle. Side step. Kicks out. To the corner. Open for three. Won't go. Rebound put back. The follow. Merona. Inside pass. Spins bump. Oh, ball stolen. And 3-on-1. Pass break. Pass inside. In pass. Pass of the window. Basket and one. Oh. The inbound team Merona. Katakutan with the receive. Is stolen. And number 11 versus number 11. Easy two. This time Santa Iglesia. Naiwan yung bola. Spins. He pass. Lorido goes inside. Luis, double dribble. He pass to number 8. Stops, left alone. And here's Flores. Fires. Hook shot, yes. And attacks. Goes inside. Stops against two defender. Ball is stolen. And the pass. And he's stolen back. Ordilio side step inside pass. Alba pocket. Ball possession Santa Iglesia. Number 12. High pass. Number 23, Warido. Inside pass, kicks out. Spins, corner through. Bang! Bullseye! Francis. And a pass back.
Looking for his teammate.
Attacks, goes to the baseline. He spins. Inside pass, ang gandang pasa. The deliver. And he stops. Quijano. Katakutan against number 27. He goes to the middle, left alone. He stop for three. Won't go. Rebound. Katakutan again for three. Bang! The high pass. And Katakutan. Batman! Oh, sinausaw talaga. Santa Iglesia. Nakalusot. Straight to the hoops. Dalawang defender. And recover. Rebounds. Hip to the corner. Floater shot. Too strong. And the pass break. And lumiwat. Pinabitin of the glass. Tips in. Basket. Santa Iglesia. Number 5. And high pass. Kicks out. And to the middle. Orado Lace. Won't go. Rebound again. Falling away. Basket and one. And Dobigan number 34 spins. To the middle. Goes inside. That pinabitin. Bakit? Flores. Laktaw-taw lumusot sa tatlo. Laktaw-taw. Apat. Oh, apat yung nilampasan. 5. Laktaw-taw. Baseball pass. Katakutan. Drives. Spins. Fires. Katakutan. Won't go. Follow-up shot with the Flores. Bug. Naligaw. Orado. Bounce pass. Ladino Lace. No good. And here's team Merona. Austria. Bam. Falling away. Bucket. And here's Team Santa. Inside pass. Fires off the glass. Lactautau with the finish. To number 11. Chris Lactautau. He pass to Jurado. Ladino inside pass. Lactautau nakalusot. Bucket. Dancing Francisco behind the back dribble. Pass to number 9. Mendoza goes to the screen. He attacks to the baseline. He lays. Basket and one. Across the mid lane. He goes to the middle. And kicks out. Katakutan. Goes the screen. Attacks. Fire. Basket and one. And close the mid lane. Bansis. Crossover. Iniwan si Batman. Never slap. Won't do. Rebound, Lactautau with the hoop. Another pass, basket and one. And it's Katakutan, Batman in Harry. Pass, ball, block, rejected. Backdoor inbound, 4 teams. Reona, he pass, bump, fires. Hoop, rejected, recover. And he pass, open for 3. Won't go, rebound again. Takes clutch, fire off the window, bullseye. The back door. Nagsakto yung pass sa Lactautau. Pushing up, nakalusot. Fires off the window, too strong, rebound. Put back, bucket. And attacks, goes to the rim, nice. Quick. Maruda. Back knees to the middle, pull up J. Leysa, bucket. Putan. Batman. Against number 14, spins. Ladimo. Between the legs. Crossover. Bounce pass. Reverse layup, yes sir. Number 11, he pass. And he spins. And number 34 goes to the middle between the legs. Crossover, iniwan. Inside pass, pass. The lob pass and the feet. And number 12, he pass. Morido. Against Flores for 3. Too strong. Rebound, number 14, Ladimo falls off the glass. Cut, number 34. 14, Merona, long pass inside. And finish by Katakutan. Lumusot, behind the back dribble, Ordillo. And to Morido. Pass to number 14 for 3, short. Katakutan, pinasa, fires, bucket. Katakutan, 48-47, Santa Ignacia. And he pass, received by Katakutan. Inside pass, picks, kicks out. He dribbled the ball. Pass to Katakutan, Rebound, makukuha dito ng Herona for the lead. Sayang! 4-3, too strong. And rebound. Ordillo pass. Morido attacks. Goes inside the Filipino step of the glass. Bucket. Ordillo. He pass to Morido. Morido against Flores. Using the screen. Bounce pass. Open look. 3. Too strong. Rebound. Put back. Katakutan kicks out. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. And natapikan. Katakutan. Too strong. Tatlo yung gwardiya. Katakutan. Put back of the glass. Bucket. Ladimo. Katakutan. Stop for 3. Won't go. Lactautau. Iniwan. Lactautau against Batman. Lace. Bucket of the glass. Here's Team Herona. Number 9 goes to the wings and corner and to the middle. Katakutan corner 3. Austria, bang! Nothing is stolen by Lactautau. Lactautau, he pass. Morido, Pinoy step, reverse layup, bucket. And is Batman. Lumipad, lace, bucket. Scoop. Mendoza, pass to the middle, one bounce. Fires. Travel. Morido. Pass to, he goes to the wings. Morido, spins, bounce pass. Lactautau, lumusot. Katakutan. Batman holds the ball, bounce pass to the middle, space, lumusot, tie game! Morido goes to the middle, to the wings. Bounce pass. Ladimo, attack, short. And here's katakutan ni Bas. Lumipad, bucket for the lead pa. He pass. Bagnis, bounce pass, pull up J. Won't go. Austria the rebound. Katakutan. Here's Mendoza, deep three. Bang! Leisa. And Bagnis lays off the glass. Austria goes inside, lays, bucket, Austria. And a pass break, Bagnis again. Uy! Bounce pass, a floater, Jurado, bullseye at the glass. Katakutan, inside pass. Austria, recover. To the middle, Pablo. Left alone for three. Won't go, rebound. Number 12, put back of the glass, bucket. For the inbound. And number 21, bomb, pinilit, bucket, difficult shot by, and here's Gulam, pass to Bagnis, and to the middle, corner, floater shot, bucket, Ebangil, and here's Tim Herona, the bounce pass, ball is stolen, Evangelista, straight to the hoops, off the window, bulls up, Evangelista, pass to Orbilio. Bagnis goes to the screen. Stops, picks. Corner. Recover. Pull up J. Orbilio, bulls up. And the long pass. Flores, floater, bucket. Gulam. And attacks, 2-on-2. Evangelista fires off the window, bucket. Baseball pass, stolen by Orbilio. Oh, nilusutan yung dalawa. Orbilio, una tapikan, recover. Gulam, bullseye! Blow attacks. He pass. He spins. Libre, wala. Goes outside for 3. Bam! 3 tied at 76. Orbilio. Inside pass. Bagnis. Posing up. Kicks out. Evangelista kicks out. Orbilio. Long 3. Bam! For the inbound. Pass to Labino. He pass to Laisa. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Fires. Bucket! Foul Austria. Long pass. And sakto fires. My foul. And Pablo last on the free throw area. In and out and in out. Morido. Against Flores. Please. There is a bucket. Morido. And by Lactautau. Lactautau. Natapikan. Lactautau for the backdoor inbound. Team Santa Ignacia looking for receiver. Kicks out. Morido. Oh, Pinoy step again. Pinoy step. Oh! And number 9 bounce pass. Flores. Attacks. Lace. Bucket. Flores. Leisa. He pass. Jurado. Lace. Easy to Jurado. Austria pass break. Takutan. Lumusot. Lumipad. Lace. Goes to the middle. Pass to Bagnis. Inside pass. Lactautau posting up. Against Katakutan. Pass. Bucket! Crossover. Spins. Kicks corner. Step back. Open for 3. Short. Rebound. Austria. Isa for Santa Ignacia. Pass to Bagnis. Oop. Uy. Good. Leisa. Crossover. Goes inside. Kicks out. Launch deep 2. In and out. Rebound. Put back. Bagnis. Katakutan. Katakutan. Lumipad. Ang layo namang take off nun. Block. Morido. Oop. Recover. He pass. Bagnis. Pass inside. Oh, Jurado. Bullseye. Katakutan. Crossover. Goes inside. Behind the back. 3 ball. Pass. Baguette. Estabilio. Morillo. And Orbillo. Morido. Orbillo open. Picks. He pass. Ball is stolen. Pass break. Pablo lumipad. Easy 2. And second shoot. 7. 5 second shoot sa 3. And here you go, katakutan. Lumipad lays. In and out. Falling away of the glass. Bucket. 6 point. Congratulations, Santa Ignacia.